Hi, this is Justin Ball, founder of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers, and I'm excited to bring to you in this video our newest product, our dual shower head set. Now, we've been selling a bundle of this product for a long time, but we finally made a diverter to bring it all together instead of basically taking the handheld shower holder and a diverter without a mount and attaching them to each other. We have a really nice fixture. Plus, we've made a few major improvements to the shower heads and the hose, which I'll talk about as we get this thing installed. But in this video, I just want to take this out of the box, install it, and give you a little demo of how it works. So let's get into it. Got some instructions. It's pretty detailed. You can see there, illustrations. Go register your warranty. Lifetime warranty on this product. Have our 8-inch rain shower head. 4-inch handheld shower head. Shower hose, 72-inch long. And then the pièce de résistance that we've spent a lot of time developing, our solid brass diverter. So all-in-one diverter valve. Really beautiful fixture. And some thread seal tape. Now that we have that out of the box, go ahead and install this on the shower arm. I already took the old shower head off and cleaned it up, so we don't have to waste any time with that. And we'll get into that now. The only tool you might want to have on hand is an adjustable wrench to tighten down the diverter. Not 100% necessary, but makes the installation a little bit more snug. So go ahead and just apply some thread seal tape to the shower arm pipe. That's the only area we're going to apply just going clockwise. Okay, pretty good. Smooth that out. Little blue cap just protects the contents inside. Just unthread that, and there's a screened washer in there. Okay, go ahead and get that on the threads. Okay, now here's a trick. Just make sure you don't loosen anything up unnecessarily. Is once you start to get it nice and snug, hold the body of the diverter in place and just finish the tightening with the adjustable wrench, making sure that the diverter body does not move. Nice and snug there. And why I say that is because if you just try and constantly turn the body of the diverter, it could potentially loosen up the well, it's not really little, but the nut that's holding the this hex nut to the body of the diverter, and then this might get loose, but you can see this is pretty snug right now, so I just want to keep it that way. Don't create any unnecessary issues. So we have our shower hose. So first part is we'll just thread this onto the bottom. There are washers pre-installed in here. Just make sure that they're in there. Okay. I like the adjustable wrench. Doesn't mar the finish or anything like that. And then go ahead and take these guys out. Now, There are independent flow regulators in the shower heads. There's none in the diverter. So that's a 2.5 GPM flow regulator on the hand shower. Okay. You can see, there you go. And then the rain shower head, same thing. It's got a screened washer and the flow regulator is right in there, behind there. Go ahead and tighten this on. You could really just hand tighten those. And there you have it. It's nice and neatly installed, ready to go. And now let's just test for leaks and we'll go through a little demo of the different water sprays. Okay, so if you come over here looking for, let's see here, leaks right on this joint right here, so we don't see any leaks there. Then you're looking for leaks right in this joint, no leaks there, and then leaks in that joint, so looking pretty good. You can see both shower heads running pretty smoothly. Good flow from both of them, even though they're running at the same time with flow regulators in them. And then if you just rotate the switch on the diverter, it'll go to the rain shower head only. Or if you go the other way, it'll go to the handheld only. So you can see pretty good pressure coming out of the handheld shower head. Pretty good pressure coming out of the rain shower head. So you can see this is a really high quality fixture, our all metal dual shower head, now with the 3-way diverter all in one set. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Check us out at theshowerheadstore.com, subscribe, like us on YouTube, and thanks for spending some time with me, Justin Ball, the shower head guy. Talk to you soon.